Hi, Standard 7 pupils. I welcome you to our science lesson. Our topic today is energy. Meaning of energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is measured in units called joules. That is J, the abbreviation, letter J. Pupils, we have different forms of energy. Number one, we have electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. Sources of electricity. Electricity, pupils, is generated in various ways, and it exists in two forms. One, static electricity, and then two, current electricity. Static electricity occurs when two surfaces are rubbed against each other. For example, rubbing a plastic rubber on a dry hair. 2. Current electricity. Current electricity is carried through wires, which are good conductors of electricity. Current electricity is produced from the following. We have batteries, that is in torches and a car battery, bicycle dynamos, hydroelectric generators, petrol and diesel driven generators, geothermal generators, wind driven turbines, and then solar energy. Those are the panels. Pupils, battery, that is torch or car battery. For example, in the picture below, we have a dry cell. The dry cell, if you look at it, we have positive side and we have negative side. That is positive terminal and a negative terminal. If you want to use a dry cell to lit a bulb, you tie the wire at the positive terminal and the other one below the negative terminal. You connect it to the bulb. Then the bulb will lit. The bulb will produce light. Batteries or torch and a car battery. Dry cells are used to operate torches, clocks, radios, and cameras. Pupils, a dry cell has two terminals, as we have said earlier. That is positive terminal and a negative terminal. Positive is a plus sign, and the negative it is a minus sign. Car battery, pupils, like in dry cells, the car battery has positive terminal and a negative terminal. Batteries contain liquid chemical substances that produce electricity, which can be used in lighting, operating radios, and television sets, and starting vehicles. Another form is bicycle dynamos. Pupils, bicycle dynamo is a small generator that is rotated at the wheel of the bicycle moves. This produces electricity which is used in a bicycle to produce light at night. Next is hydroelectricity or hydroelectric generators. Pupils, hydroelectricity generators use water to produce electricity. Hydro means water. Energy from fast flowing water turns the turbines, which drives a generator that produces electricity. Pupils, hydroelectric generators produce large amounts of electricity, which is used in homes and in factories to turn machine. Up to that point, pupils, we come to the end of our lesson. I am told that class 7 you drag behind. Please make sure do the right thing at the right time. I wish you a nice day until our next lesson, inshallah, next day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.